What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I'm going to give my recommendations for the best colognes for the gym. If you're new to the channel, we're releasing a video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Fresh Don, salute. Now, first off, there's a lot of people that believe you shouldn't wear cologne to the gym in the first place, and they might have a valid argument. With you moving around a lot, being in close quarters, and of course sweating a lot, you're going to project off your cologne a little bit more. However, to me, that doesn't mean you can't wear cologne to the gym. You just need to pick the right one. You want to pick colognes that are light, clean, fresh, and most importantly, non-offensive. This is not the place for your show-off club cologne. So with that in mind, on today's list, I have several fresh, clean, light, and most importantly, non-offensive fragrances. So without further ado, let's get into my list of the best gym colognes. Now these picks are going to be in no particular order. They're all great colognes for the gym. I don't think you can go wrong with any that I'm about to tell you coming up. I'm going to start you off with a fresh, green, citrus, aromatic scent. I'm talking about Lacoste Essential. Now this one has top notes of bergamot, tangerine, cassia, mid notes of pepper and rose, base notes of sandalwood and patchouli. Now this one I really love because it's clean, light, fresh, but importantly, it has great longevity. So even after you leave the gym, before the gym, it'll last all day. And like I said, non-offensive, clean, and fresh. Definitely great gym cologne. Now next up on the list is the cologne that to me that epitomizes clean. And I'm talking soapy clean. We have Mugler Cologne. Now this one has green and citrus notes followed by a soapy accord. To me, hands down, this is the best soapy type cologne. So when you're at the gym and kind of dirty, nothing better than a clean, fresh, soapy scent. Now next up is a great light, aromatic, aquatic scent from 2006, Versace Eau Fraiche. Now this one is a great blend of fruits, green leaves, amber, and sycamore wood. Now what I like about this one, it's a softer, more subtle version of the original Versace Man. Like I said, clean, aromatic, and great for the gym. Now next up on the list, we have a fresh, sharp citrus scent that is a classic. I'm talking about Issey Miyake. Now this one has top notes of mandarin, cypress wood, coriander, and sage, mid notes of geranium, cinnamon, nutmeg, and saffron, and base notes of sandalwood, vetiver, amber, musk, and tobacco. This one is clean, fresh, a little sharp, citrus, non-offensive, a definite classic, and one you definitely can rock to the gym. Now next up on our list is a fresh, citrus, aromatic scent that not only is a great compliment getter, it's very affordable. I'm talking about Ellis Red 360. Now this one has top notes of orange, nutmeg, lime, and mandarin orange, mid notes of lavender and coriander, and base notes of patchouli, vetiver, and musk. Like I said, this is a great, spicy, fresh citrus scent that the ladies truly love, and on top of that, you can cop it for around 20 bucks. And last, but certainly not least on the list of the best gym colognes, we've got Nautica Voyage. Now this one is the best in a lot of categories to me. One of the best summer colognes, one of the best affordable colognes, and definitely one of the best for the gym. Light, clean, citrusy, and very inoffensive. This one is a great mix of green leaves, apple, amber, moss, just a great blend. Light, clean, fresh, and like I said, non-offensive, which is very important for the gym. And did I mention super affordable? Around 20 bucks, you can easily get this one. Pick it up at Walmart, any local store. You're gonna find Nautica Voyage. So when you're looking for cologne to throw on for the gym, clean, light, and fresh, you can't go wrong with Nautica Voyage. Okay, so there you have it. My top picks for the best colognes for the gym. Let me know in the comment section what fragrance you throw on when it's time to get your workout on. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.